everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Pilumi here. So in light of the COVID-19 outbreak, I decided to make a DIY face mask. Okay, it's very easy and everyone is in dire need of one of these now. It's hard to find in the stores, and even when you find it, the prices are like times 10 what it's supposed to be or what it used to be. So in this video I'm going to explain the materials I used and why I used them, an alternative to those materials, and instructions on how to sew the face mask with your machine and also by hand, as well as where to get your pattern and how to make your own pattern. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Please do like and share with your friends, because they need to also learn how to make a mask for themselves. And you could also use this opportunity to reach out to your local hospitals and make the masks for the healthcare workers there. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. I'm going to show you how to make your own custom pattern, but there will be a standard pattern on my blog, so do check it out in the link below. I'm going to put up a standard pattern, but this tutorial will be using my own measurement. So to take your own measurement, you're going to determine the length from the bridge of your nose to your chin, from this side across the face, over the nose, the other side of the ear, this side to the bottom of the chin. So use any piece of paper you have. The measurement from one ear to the other ear is 10 inches, so dividing that into 2, I'm gonna have 5 inches. And then the measurement from my nose to the bottom of my chin is 6 inches. Dividing that into 2, I'm gonna have 3 inches. 6. So this length, and the length from the middle of my ear to the bottom of my chin is 3 inches. Dividing that into 2 is 1.5 here. A slightly curved line, not too much. And do the same for the bottom. Slightly curve this. There's no particular measurement. Slightly curve this out. So this is my pattern for the face mask. Now I'm gonna cut out my pattern. So in order to make your masks really close to the end for the 95 quality, you need to have non-woven fabric, okay? Although cotton is being recommended because it's breathable, right? So I'm going to use just regular 100% cotton, and this is an Ankara fabric, but I'm going to layer this up for the front and the back. But most importantly, you need something else inside that can filter out about 80% of the particles. And people do use non-woven interfacing, but I do not have that right now because I am in quarantine and I cannot go out to get supplies. So what I'm going to use, I don't know what this material is called, but it's usually used for shopping bags like this. And what makes this material really important and why you can use this is because it is water resistant, and that is one of the qualities of a good face mask. I'm just going to pour a drop of water there. You can see it repels water, it doesn't absorb the water. I'm gonna find out what the name of this fabric is and update the details in the description box below, so do check it out. So I have folded my fabric, well I'm gonna fold it now into 4 layers so I can cut out 4 pieces of fabric at the same time. Just bring it down. So yeah, I have my inner layer, which is the most important part of it. Yep, So these are my pieces, my fabric pieces. So elastic bands, the appropriate elastic bands are out of stock. It's going to be very hard for you to find some to purchase. So an alternative is for you to just take a regular elastic band. This is a 1-inch elastic band, and you can split it in the middle, or I'm sure you have one of these lying around, just a regular headband. Well, this one seems like it comes in different layers, so that's even good. I'm going to take this out. 6 inches is perfect. So it's gonna go around your ears like this once you cut it into 2. So to attach all the pieces together, you need to first of all place this right sides together, and we're gonna sew it down the middle. Just gonna pin it for you to see. I'm going to sew one with a sewing machine and then the other with a hand needle, so you can see that you can make this without a sewing machine. So you're just going to first of all sew it down here with a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. Do that for all the pieces. And then to make sure everything is like tight, you go back to the point where you started from, and then you push it out to the other side a little, like a small distance from the previous point. Push it back out. Okay, now you take it back in from the previous point, and then push it back out from another section, another side. You can just watch me. The next step is to assemble the pieces together. So this is going to be in the middle. Be sure it's facing the right direction. Right sides facing on the main fabric, and the lining fabric should be together, right sides facing. I'm gonna pin the bottom as well. Okay, so what you're gonna do is sew across the top and the bottom. You're gonna leave the sides open. So before I turn it around, I'm just going to notch. Be careful not to cut through your seam. So I have zigzagged the ends closed. Fold 1/2 inch in this way, and you sew a straight stitch to create a channel for the elastic. You do that for the other side. So I'm going to take the headband that I unbraided and pass it through a yarn needle. Okay, through the yarn needle, and then through the channel we created. Okay, cool. Now what you can do is take a hand sewing needle and attach the ends together. It's done. I'm gonna do this for the other side as well. I made 2 types. This one, the elastic is going around my head, and then this one, the elastic is going behind my ears. Okay, but do not forget to subscribe to my channel to see more sewing DIYs. Like this video and do share with your friends, because everyone is in need of a mask right now.